In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Plans. If you want a simple way to organize work at a higher level in Jira, creating a plan is a great place to start. Jira Plans help you bring work together so you can view and manage it more clearly, especially when you're dealing with multiple items or larger timelines. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new plan from scratch in just a few quick steps. To begin, go to the Plans area in Jira and click the plus icon. This is the starting point for creating a new plan. If you're new to this section, think of the plus icon as your shortcut for adding something new. Once you click it, Jira will open the setup window for your plan. Next, enter a name for the plan. Choose a name that makes the purpose of the plan easy to understand at a glance. This is especially helpful if your team will be managing several plans at once. A clear, descriptive title can save time later when you need to find the right plan quickly. After naming the plan, move to the access setting and choose whether the plan should be open or private. This controls who can view or work with the plan. If the plan is meant for broader team visibility, open may be the better choice. If it's something you want to limit to specific people, private is likely more appropriate. Take a moment here to pick the option that best matches how you want the plan to be shared. Once the access is set, go to the Add Work section and select the work type you want to include. This step tells Jira what kind of work should feed into the plan. Depending on how your Jira setup is organized, this could relate to projects, boards, filters, or other sources of work. The key here is to choose the work type that matches the content you want the plan to track. Finally, click Create. Jira will then generate your new plan using the settings you selected. From there, you can begin reviewing the work included in the plan and use it as a central place to visualize and manage progress. That's all it takes to create a Jira plan. As a quick tip, before you create the plan, it helps to know what audience it's for and what work you want included. That way, your name, access settings, and work type all align from the start. With those basics in place, you'll have a clean foundation for planning and tracking work more effectively in Jira.